Hey, welcome to the BudgetEase Broadcast. We spend our days helping small businesses and nonprofits stay financially fabulous. But let's be real. Even the most organized business owner can feel a little chaotic when it comes to personal finances. So today, we're spilling the beans on 5 personal finance tools your bookkeepers secretly swear, or our bookkeepers secretly swear by. Okay, not so secret anymore. First up, Quicken. It's the old reliable, great for categorizing personal and real estate finances, linking all your bank and investment accounts, and exporting everything your CPA dreams of. It's not as slick as QuickBooks, but it gets the job done, especially if you're juggling rental properties or maybe even a side hustle. Then there's Excel, the classic. Total control, endless customization, and perfect for spotting spending patterns. You can build your own spreadsheet, use a template, or download transactions straight from your bank. Here's a pro tip. Check out You Need a Budget, WYNAB, for a spreadsheet that connects to your bank feed and encourages proactive budgeting. Just be ready for some manual entry. Surprisingly handy? Yeah, there's always those bank budgeting tools. Major banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One offer built-in features that auto-categorize your spending and sometimes even connects to other accounts at other banks. So Chase even has a printable budget worksheet. Yes, paper still has its place. For long-term planning, Fidelity and Schwab are the investment gurus. They consolidate accounts, offer retirement projectors, and help you track goals. Not ideal for daily budgeting, but excellent for the big picture. And finally, we keep an eye on newcomers like Monarch and Origin and Rocket Money. These modern budgeting tools are gaining buzz and might just fill the void left by Mint, QuickBooks Online former personal budgeting sidekick that some of us miss so much. So why contact BudgetEase? Because your books deserve better than a panic attack every April. Whether you need QuickBooks catch-up, full-service bookkeeping, or just want to outsource that whole accounting headache, we've got your back. We balance books, budgets, and occasionally our own caffeine intake. But not really. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.